first lesson in life is what I buy is very, very important. And what price I buy is most important. राइट। तो अब ये टेस्ला का वैल्यूएशन होगा कि जोमेटो का होगा, गुड लक टू जोमेटो, लेट इज वैल्यूएशन बी 9,90,000 crores and let Tesla be 6 trillion. But I am not going to buy these stocks at these valuations, right? And second thing is we always overrate change, especially these techies. Change comes but much slower than anticipated pace. Without so much focus on valuation, I believe to build a great company, what we need is an opportunity, frugality, corporate governance, technology, the ability to change. And if the race is not ending tomorrow, I have learned it's always the tortoise who wins rather than the hare. So I wish these startups give more focus to building a business model which produces cash rather than taking father-in-law's money and laga 1 billion, 2 trillion. That is not it's not capital which has built great companies in the world. Who built Zara? Who built Walmart? Right? So its capital is not so important ultimately. It's your business model. And I don't like companies whose I tell all my investing companies, I am not interested in valuation. I am interested in my business and scalability. I am making a business model, a cash flow model, and the valuations have to follow. Valuations cannot, be more important than my business model and its sustainability. And I think people are being far, far, far too optimistic about how fast these companies will produce cash. But the kind of money, all these entrepreneurs, money is like oxygen. If they need 4, you give them 3, they'll die. You give them 6, their dreams will go up 5,000 times. Right? And just because some have succeeded doesn't mean everybody is going to succeed. So my attitude is they are contributing greatly to this country, to this world. I admire and love the way, pace and the efficiency with which they do things, but they are being misguided by the focus on valuations. And the focus of all these valuations are because of kind of money some of these investors have made in Chinese and other companies. And this is going to be madness. These are railroads. This is like the tulip boom. In my opinion, I have the right to be wrong. And I don't have to go to every party in town here. So now the question is, today you value Zomato at 1 lakh crores. Now, when is Zomato going to get 3,000 crores of cash flow? I want to know that. And not investor checks. And history, right from the boom in the railroads and those tulips, all these valuations have happened, but they never sustained. Never remember it. Always remember the stock market. It's important how long it gets. It's more important how long it lasts. So this emphasis on the tech, I'm telling you, I admire them what they do. This emphasis on the tech world of valuation cannot last.